So today we are making this beetroot, which I've washed and cut into tiny chunks so that as to help my blender. Then I have here also cut pineapple, washed and also cut into chunks also to help me blend. And then I'm using some ginger, which I've also washed and cut and re-washed. So the next thing now is to put into the blender and add some water and blend. I'm not going to add much water to blend it because there will be enough juice from the pineapple. I'm adding just a cup of water